actually went to Universal Horror Nights the other day and this was the makeup that I did. So I kind of wanted to show you guys how to do this makeup. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I've already done my base makeup, so I'm just gonna go straight into my eye. I'm gonna take this light pink color and I'm applying it all over my eyelid and under. Then I'm gonna take this brown color and I'm applying it to the corners of my eyes. Taking a thinner brush, I'm going to take this brown color. I'm going to apply it on the corners and also the inside right here. I'm going to go in with this color on the center of my eyelids. And then I'm also going to apply this pink glitter. Now taking an angled brush, I'm going to take the darkest brown color. I'm going to outline where I'm going to draw my eyeliner. Now with the same color, I'm going to redraw my lower lash line. And then also sharpen my inner corner. Using the same color, I'm going to shade my 𝐲𝐝𝐻. And then I'm going to use a black eyeliner to draw out my wing. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. And I'm just filling in the empty spots. So now I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm just going to apply some false lashes. These are just manhwa shaped lashes that I got off of 𝘀𝐺. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes together just so that the fake lashes and my actual lashes are stuck. I'm taking a lighter concealer color and I'm going to highlight my 𝐲𝐻𝐻. And then I'm taking a small bullet brush and this highlight color, apply it to my 𝐲𝐻𝐻 as well. So now that I'm done with my 𝐲𝐻𝐻 makeup, I'm going to go in with the same mascara and apply it to my bottom lashes. And then I'm going to take a pair of tweezers and tweeze together the bottom lashes so that they look cleaner. Now I'm going to take a toothpick and heat it up. And I'm just going to press down my bottom lashes so that they aren't sticking up. So for my blush, I'm actually going to use 3 colors. So first, I'm going to take a really tiny bit of this pink highlighter and mix it in with this darker blush. And then I'm just going to apply it in the center right here. And then I'm going to take this lighter blush and use it to blend everything together. So for my lips, I'm going to pat in the leftover foundation and set it with a powder. Now I'm taking my contour brush, and this is kind of brown shade, and I'm kind of gonna shade my lip line. And then I'm gonna use an eyeshadow brush and go in with a pink color. So now I'm using a lip crayon to overline my lip. And then I'm going to apply a lip tint. I'm going to apply it to the center. And then I'm going to use what's left over on the brush to blend it out. Now using an angled brush in a brown color, I'm going to lift up the corners of my mouth. And then that is it for this makeup look.